Hello everyone, welcome to Gadinpur Pool and this is Yogesh Garg. In this video we are going to discuss JEE Advanced 2015 Paper 1 question number 58. So what we have in this question, let PQR be a triangle, A vector is equal to QR vector, P is equal to RP. So matlab A, B, C they all three are the sides of triangle. So let us make the figure first. Sorry, wait. So let us make a triangle first. Fine. So PQR is the triangle. This QR is A vector, right? This RP is B vector, and this PQ is C vector. So mod of A vector is equal to 12, mod of B vector is equal to 4 root 3, and B dot C is equal to 24. Then which of the following is or are true? So it is more than one just correct question. So how to go about this question? What to do? How to do? See, this thing we should know, and this is very important thing, right? This concept has appeared in many of the questions in mains examination and advanced as well. A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0, right? A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equal to 0. Now, if is it so, their sum is equal to 0. What we can do? We can write, let us say, C vector is equal to minus A vector minus B vector. Now what is the utility of this? What do we have by writing this? We know B vector dot C vector is equal to 24, right? What we can do? We take dot product of B with this C vector, minus A vector minus B vector. So B vector dot minus A vector minus B vector is equal to 24. I hope the video is clear to each and everyone. I hope this screen is visible. Let me write it a little bit downwards. So take minus 1 common. So you have minus B dot A, right? B dot A plus B dot B, that will be mod B square. Now mod B is 4 root 3. Its square will be 16 to 3, 48. So this is 48 is equal to 24. So from this we have B dot A plus 48 is equal to minus 24, and from this we can write B dot A is equal to minus 72. And yes, D option is that is only A dot B is equal to minus 72. So we have the value of A dot B. Now our job is not done yet. We have to find the value of mod C square. How to find the value of mod C square? Now we can find it. We can find it very easily. How? C vector is equal to minus A vector minus B vector, right? C vector is equal to minus A vector, or might take minus common, minus A vector plus B vector. What to do with this? Take dot of C with C only. So mod C square or vector C mod square is equal to minus A vector plus B vector mod square, and that will be equal to A vector plus B vector dot with A vector plus B vector, and this will be equal to mod A square plus mod B square plus 2A dot B. Now mod A square is equal to, mod A was equal to 12. 12 square is equal to 144. So this is 144. Mod B was 4 root 3. Its square will be 48. And 2 into A dot B, it will be equal to minus 144. So it is clearly equal to 48. So mod C square is equal to 48. Right? Why I am calculating mod C square? Why we are interested in finding mod C square? Now by finding mod C square, we can clearly check whether A or B they are correct or not. Mod A, this is mod A, and that is equal to 12. Mod C was equal to, just we get the value, mod C was equal to, mod C square was equal to 48, right? So with a check for the first option, 48 by 2 minus mod A was equal to 12 is equal to 12. So whether it is correct? Yes, it is. 48 by 2, 24 minus 12, 12. Yeah, A option is correct. For second option, 48 by 2 plus 12. Is it equal to 30? It is not. It is equal to 36. So B is incorrect. Now we also have to check whether C is correct or not. How to check whether C is correct or not? Now, they have cross. They are using cross. Now how to deal with this? See what we can do. We know C vector is equal to minus A vector minus B vector. Just replace it over here. You will see the point which I am raising. Just replace minus A minus B over here. Fine. So it's not. It means we don't. Though we have A dot B, right, and we have mod A mod B. We will use that concept in particular C in C. I will just explain it. C, if you replace C by minus A minus B, it will be equal to this C expression is equal to. Let me take it downwards. Mod of A cross B plus it was C cross A, yeah, it was C cross A. C is minus A minus B, so minus A minus B cross A mod. This is equal to mod vector A cross vector B plus minus A cross A, it will be equal to 0, minus B cross A, it will not be equal to minus A cross B, mind it is equal to A cross B, right? So this is all, this complete is equal to 2 mod of A cross B. Now how to find this? What we can do instead is to find the value of mod A cross B square. Now mod A cross B square is equal to mod A square into mod B square into sine square theta, where A dot B is equal to mod A mod B cos theta. Fine. So from this we can find the value of cos theta, that will be equal to, see, mod A mod vector A dot vector B is minus 72, right? So this is minus 72 upon mod A is 12 and this is 4 root 3. Are we interested in finding cos theta? Not at all. We have to find the value of sine square theta. So, or either we can also use Lagrange's identity, right? But if in the case you are not remembering it, no issue. Find the value of cos theta or use this to find the value of sine square theta. This is 12. This is cut in minus 6. Minus 6 by 4 root 3. If you simplify it further, it is minus 3 by 2 root 3. This is cos theta. So cos square theta is equal to 9 by 4 into 3, and the complete expression will be equal to 3 by 4. Again, we are not interested in finding cos square theta. Sin square theta will be equal to 1 by 4. Now our work is complete. Just put the value of mod A square, mod B square, sin square theta over here. So mod A square is 12 square 144, mod B square is 48, and sin square theta is 1 by 4. So simplify it. Simplify this. This is 4 in denominator, right? And it will eliminate for 48 in 12. So 144 into 12 root. So this is mod A. This is a vector A cross vector B whole square. 144 into 12. It is thus we can say that vector A cross vector B is equal to 12 root 12. This is 12 root 12. So 2 into A cross B, it will be equal to 24 root 12. So whether it is equal to 24 root 12, it is 48 root 3. We should simplify this. We should simplify this. Before rejecting this, we should simplify this. This is 24 root 12, it will be equal to 2 root 3. Yes, it is. It is equal to 48 root 3. So at the time it may not appear, but solve it till the final calculation, right, before rejecting or accepting any value. So this is equal to 48 root 3. Thus the C option is also correct. So A, C, D, they are the correct option. And mind it, if in case by mistake you mark B, even after finding A, C, D as correct, you mark B by mistake, you will get minus 2 marks. Instead of 4, you will get minus 2. That's the you will say a trap, danger. That's the only problem with more than choice correct question. Other problem is it's not the only problem. Other problem is the time taken. Now again the point is, what is the utility of this question with respect to mains examination? See, I am discussing a more than one choice correct question which involves so many things, right? So what is the utility of this question? Can this question appear in mains? Obviously not. It is a more than one choice correct question. Can this template appear? Yes, it can. It can for sure. This idea of a PQRB triangle and ABC, they are the sides of triangle, and the concept involved in this, I would say with surety. It's not surety, right? It's not surety that the exact same question appear in exam, but I can say with surety that there are instances where in mains examination what has happened, they have converted more than one choice correct question of advanced into a single choice correct question and has put in the examination of means, JEE means, right? Earlier here typically. So the point is, we have to understand the concept. The concept is important over here, right? So that's the only purpose I had discussed this question at this particular point of time. So I hope this concept, this video was clear to each and every one of you. In case you have any doubt, please do comment. And till then, stay tuned, keep watching us Hopeful, and we will be back with more such videos.